If you've ever been stuck on an MQB or MLB key job, staring at a perfectly good working key and wishing there was a simpler way to add another one without tearing half the dashboard apart, this update is going to grab your attention immediately. For years, key programming on newer Volkswagen Group platforms has meant instrument cluster removal, complex workflows, and a lot of unnecessary stress in the workshop. But that situation is about to change in a very meaningful way. Hey everyone, this is Hussein, and welcome back to Baabji Motors, where we focus on real-world automobile diagnostics, programming tools, and the kind of workshop knowledge that actually helps you get jobs done faster and cleaner. Today we're talking about a major upcoming function for auto users that directly targets one of the biggest pain points in MQB and MLB vehicles, adding keys. Before we go further, a quick and important note. This discussion is purely educational and informational. The goal is to help technicians, learners, and automotive enthusiasts understand how the technology works and what's coming next. Always follow manufacturer procedures and local laws when working on vehicle security systems. With that out of the way, let's dive in. Autel is preparing to release a new add key function for MQB and MLB platforms that works by reading data directly from an existing working key. Instead of removing the instrument cluster or accessing immobilizer data through invasive methods, this approach allows you to open the original key and read the immobilizer information straight from it. From a workshop perspective, that is a huge shift. Less disassembly, less risk, and significantly less time spent on the job. This upcoming function is designed for a wide range of Volkswagen Group brands. On the MQB and MLB side, that includes Volkswagen, Audi, Porsche, Seat, Skoda, Bentley, and even Lamborghini. The idea is simple but powerful. If you have one working key, you can use it as the source to add another key, as long as the vehicle and key type are supported. The function will be available on the Autel IM508 and IM608 series tablets. However, there is an important hardware requirement. This process relies on the new Autel APB 300 programmer. Without this programmer, the add key by reading key function will not work. According to current information, the APB 300 is in the pre-order stage and is expected to be available by the end of February 2026. Key type also matters here. For MQB vehicles, Autel specifies the Volkswagen and Audi style IKAY with part number IKYVW3T, which is sold separately. For MLB vehicles, Autel uses dedicated key circuit boards, specifically part numbers ICBCAU3W and ICBCAU4W. Using the correct key hardware is essential, because even a supported vehicle will fail the process if the wrong key type is used. Now let's talk about vehicle coverage, because this is where things get really interesting for independent workshops. On the MQB side, support includes a wide range of Audi models, such as the A1 from 2019 to 2021, the A3 from 2013 to 2021, the Q2 from 2017 to 2021, and the Q3 extending up to 2024. Seat models like the Arona, Ateca, Ibiza, Leon, Tarraco, and Toledo are also covered across various model years. Skoda support includes popular models like the Fabia, Karoq, Kodiaq, Octavia, Rapid, Superb, and Scala. Volkswagen MQB coverage spans the Arteon, Golf, Passat, Polo, Tiguan, Touran, Jetta, T-Cross, T-Roc, and Crafter, covering many of the vehicles that regularly come into independent workshops. On the MLB side, coverage moves into higher-end and more security-sensitive vehicles. Audi models include the A4, A5, A6, A7, A8, and their S and RS variants, spanning from around 2016 onward depending on the model. SUVs like the Q7 and Q8 are included, along with electric variants where applicable. Porsche coverage includes the Taycan, Panamera, Cayenne, and the 911 from newer model years. Bentley models such as the Bentayga, Continental GT, and Flying Spur, including hybrid versions, are also supported. Volkswagen's Touareg is on the list, and even the Lamborghini Urus is included under MLB coverage. For anyone who works with premium or luxury Volkswagen Group vehicles, that alone makes this update worth paying attention to. What really sets this function apart is the workflow itself. Instead of fighting with protected gateways or dismantling dashboards, the technician focuses on the working key. By reading immobilizer data directly from that key, the process becomes cleaner and more controlled. From Baabji Motors' perspective, this is exactly the kind of evolution we want to see in diagnostic and programming tools, especially as vehicle security continues to get tighter every year. Earlier, I asked you to stay until the end for an important clarification, and here it is. This function does not eliminate the need for proper authorization, correct tools, or correct procedures. It simply removes unnecessary physical steps like cluster removal when a valid working key is available. In real-world terms, that means fewer broken trims, fewer angry customers, and more consistent results in the workshop. So, does this finally make MQB and MLB ad key jobs easier? In my opinion, yes, absolutely, as long as technicians understand the limitations and follow the supported list carefully. I also think this move puts more pressure on other tool manufacturers to simplify their workflows, which is always a win for technicians. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this. Do you see this feature changing how you handle Volkswagen Group key jobs? Or do you think cluster-based methods will still be necessary in some cases? Drop your opinion in the comments and let's discuss it. Here's a quick fun fact before we wrap up. On many modern MQB and MLB keys, the immobilizer data stored inside the key is often more complete and cleaner than what technicians struggle to retrieve through the vehicle itself, which is exactly why key-based reading can be so reliable when implemented correctly. If this video helped you understand what's coming and how it might impact your daily work, please help us hit a small milestone by giving this video 1,000 likes and leaving at least 100 comments. Make sure you're subscribed to Baabji Motors and share this video with a fellow technician if you've ever dealt with a frustrating MQB or MLB key job. Only a small portion of viewers are actually subscribed, and subscribing genuinely helps the channel grow, reach #1 in this niche, and continue producing detailed, research-driven content like this. These deep dives take real time and effort, and your support through likes, comments, shares, and subscriptions directly makes that possible. If there are any tools mentioned in this video available through affiliate links, they may be listed in the description, and using them is a simple way to support the channel at no extra cost to you. Thanks again for watching, keep sharpening your skills, and as always, happy diagnosing.